there, home cooks! Today I'm bringing you 5 speedy meal ideas that are perfect for busy nights. Let's jump right in. First up, speedy garlic parmesan pasta. Boil your pasta according to the package directions. While that's cooking, sauté minced garlic in olive oil until fragrant. Toss the cooked pasta with the garlic oil, parmesan cheese, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Boom! You've got quick and flavorful garlic parmesan pasta. Next, we have a one-pan sheet pan sausage and veggies. Toss your favorite sliced sausage and chopped veggies on a sheet pan. Drizzle with olive oil and your choice of seasonings. Bake until the sausage is cooked and the veggies are tender. Easy peasy, one-pan dinner is ready. Now let's whip up some quick tuna melts. Mix canned tuna with mayonnaise, chopped celery, and onion. Spread the mixture on English muffins or bread, then top with your favorite cheese. Broil until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Simple and satisfying tuna melts in minutes. For a breakfast or anytime meal, scrambled eggs or omelets with veggies is a great choice. Start by sautéing your favorite chopped vegetables in a pan. Whisk some eggs in a bowl and pour them into the pan. Scramble the eggs or let them set to form an omelet. Quick, nutritious, and delicious. Lastly, we have a no-fuss dinner idea: rotisserie chicken with a side salad. Simply carve a store-bought rotisserie chicken. Assemble a quick side salad with your favorite greens and veggies. Plate them together for an effortless and complete meal. And there you have it. 5 speedy meals to make your life easier and tastier. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more quick meal ideas. Happy cooking!